Hello guys, this is Images Blues and I am an AR developer and advocate at Imagine Realities Inc. And thank you for watching my first tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make an AR photo using the Imagine AR platform. So we're gonna be using the Imagine Studio to create our content, and later on we will be using the Imagine AR app to view our work. So before we start, we will be needing the following items. So I have here a photo, and first we just have to make sure that it's sized properly. So uh, currently it's 2K. Let's make this 512 would be okay. Hit save, and we also have a video where we will be showing when our image target is detected. So there we go. Just have to make sure that this is not too big, 2 MB, so that'd be okay. So let's start by creating an account in Imagine Studio. There we go. And let's create a new bundle and image target. So you can rotate our screen by holding Alt and dragging. Can zoom by using the mouse button. Let's click our image target to upload a new image. So let's select our image, and you'll see it here immediately, and then we click to add a component, and let's select our video, and click to set up video. Let's upload our video file. There we go. The video will play instantly, so just need to resize it. You can select resize here in the dashboard, so this icon, and then drag the handles until it matches our image there. There we go. I think this is okay, and then just hit done. Let's add a title for video. AR photograph. This is just add a description. By the way, we can change the icon as well. So let's just click the icon, and let's just select our image target for now, and then hit accept and publish. We're now uploading our bundle, and as soon as we're finished, I'm going to get a QR code. Let's just save a copy so we can view our now let's go to our mobile device, and let's use our camera to scan our QR code. Open. So here, if you don't have the imagineAR app yet, you can click the App Store link to download it, and afterwards you can open. Uh, and it's going to. So after that, let's see if it works. There we go. Imagine Studio is still currently in beta, but if you're interested in an early access, I'll leave our contact email and details in the comments down below. Also, if you guys like this video, just hit subscribe and we'll keep you posted on our upcoming tutorials on AR and VR development. So thank you very much for watching.